want? What's in here? What is it?
Candy.
Candy? Who got you that candy? What is it? Say Uncle Pete.
Say thank you, Uncle Pete. Bryce, look at Mommy and say thank you, Uncle Pete.
Thank you, Uncle Pete. Can you say Aunt Jen? Can you say Reagan? Grant? Pierce? Hey, look at Mommy. Say Carter? Carter?
No.
No. Say thank you for the candy. Hey. Thank you for the candy. Say love you.
You.
Hey,
Say
look at
love
Mommy.
you.
No.
Look at Mommy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
No.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
No.